Hey everybody, it's Chad, Nobody Else's Auto. More cool new inventory tonight. More Chevy pickups. This one I think is a 1970. It's got that 6970 nose on it. I think this one's a 70 C-10. Regular basic pickup. You know, long bed, two-wheel drive, but a really cool unmolested truck. That's what's so great about that thing. We can take a step back here and see this thing even has original hubcaps on it. It looks like they're even the ones that probably came on it 50 years ago, which is really cool. Finding one of these in this sort of an unmolested condition, almost unheard of. Stepping back and looking at the left side of the pickup here, we see it's missing one door molding, but that's about it on this side. We can see here we've got a little bit of rust in the rocker panels and the cab corners, but it's not bad. But even this front fender's not rusted out, which is kind of crazy to even think about on something that's 50 years old. This truck really looks pretty neat, pretty good for its age, which is really kind of neat because you don't see these trucks like this anymore. Take a peek inside the left side here while we're here. And we can see this was that kind of metallic green that a lot of these trucks were back in that era. Pretty common color for these trucks in that day. Inside basically looks like they shut the key off. Seat was worn out, and but everything is intact. Hasn't been molested, modified, chopped up, changed. We can kind of keep working our way around this old pickup. And this come off a farmstead. We even see some what looks like some old tractor parts laying in the back, some old scrap metal, you know, because that's what these trucks were. They were work trucks. They were used. When they were used up, they were parked, and that's where a lot of them sat. And that's literally what happened with this truck until I picked it up just recently. Kind of come on around the back here. There again, it's still all here. Original tailgate. It's got a few dings along the top, but overall, still in pretty good shape considering. One molding's been up. We can see the old license plate on it. Last tagged in 1990. A little over 30 years ago since this truck was on the road. Got this big old heavy duty step bumper on it, but there again, these were work trucks. That was part of getting out, doing the job. Having a big heavy duty step bumper, one, you could put a ball on it and tow a trailer with it, or two, easy to get stuff in and out of the back of the pickup. Come over to this side, about the same thing, except we are missing one hubcap on this side. Still got the front cap on it. Moldings are all still here. As we look over here, kind of the same thing. We got a little rust in the rockers in the cab corner, and this fender has just a little bit of rust coming through, but it's there. Take a peek on this side of the truck. All still here. We've still got our option sticker right in here. Body side moldings. What else is interesting to say? Brake boot, power brakes, automatic transmission, factory radio, tinted glass, so heavy duty rear springs, 350 cubic inch V8, 373 rear axle ratio, power steering. This actually lists this rear step bumper as a factory accessory right there, rear step bumper. So kind of cool to have all this information on here that matches the truck. Now, one thing we didn't see on that sticker, we saw steering, we saw brakes, but we didn't see air conditioning. Well, the truck's got air conditioning. We can see right here we've got this big unit added to the bottom of it. So somebody put aftermarket AC in this truck, which is kind of a neat period type addition because back in the 70s, that was a big deal. We come around the front of this truck. I mean, the hood looks great on it. The whole nose of this truck looks pretty good. This grill with this big, huge aluminum grill that's stuck right out in front of these things, typically they're clobbered. This one here got a dent right here, but overall the grill in this truck doesn't even look that bad considering its age and what these things went through. But it's kind of a testament to the actual overall condition of this pickup. Take a peek under the hood, and we see our power brake booster. We see our air conditioning stuff over here, which is kind of cool. We see the aftermarket compressor where it's been added on. The thing literally still has the battery in it from when it was parked years and years ago. But what's cool about this air conditioning is we see right here, we've got this sticker, Penny's Foremost Air Conditioner. So this was a JC Penney add-on air conditioner from a JC Penney Auto Center back in the 70s. So we can see the condenser and everything they got bolted to the front. The compressor, the way all this stuff was set up to operate is really pretty cool. We take a peek on this side, all still intact. Basically how they shut the key off, we can see our power steering tucked down there in the corner to go along with our power brakes, just like we saw on the option sticker. Really cool old pickup. So, since we've seen this sticker here, we know it's got the JC Penney Foremost air conditioner. Let's take a peek back inside the truck real quick. Right to here, where we see the Foremost sticker on, or Foremost emblem on the AC box from the JC Penney Air Conditioning. Even still has the original GM key in the ignition, sitting here right now as we see it. Really cool old truck. Like I said at the beginning of this video, you don't find these trucks in this sort of an unmolested condition. That's why I was so excited about it. That's why it's such a great truck. Love the fact that it's got the JC Penney's air conditioner sticker on it, because we don't think about it a lot today because almost everything comes with air. At that point in time, the air conditioning was a big deal. A lot of cars did not come with it. You didn't order it that way. That's not how you got it. JC Penney Auto Centers, they put tons and tons and tons of these things in. So really a pretty common deal back in the day that we don't even really think about anymore. So another super cool addition to this truck, on top of the fact that it has power steering, power brakes, and they put JC Penney's air conditioning on it. Unmolested truck, original, and really in pretty amazing condition for its age. So anyway, that's what we've got for you tonight. Great truck. As you can tell, I'm excited about it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you've got questions about this truck or any of the other 1,500 cars and trucks we've got here on the ground right now, give me a call, 620-786-4428. Having that short conversation about your project, your make, model, body style, parts you need, or what you're looking for a project is what I need to know if I might be able to help you out. I've got a ton of inventory, so I need all those details. Or if you're looking for a specific project, I need all those details to know exactly what you're looking for. Give me a shout. I'd be more than happy to have that conversation with you. If you're on YouTube, you dig this stuff, you like this old pickup, you like some of these old pickups and cars you see in the background, be sure to check out my channel. That's what we do on here. Old cars, old trucks, memorabilia, gas and oil. It's all car and truck related stuff. That's what I love. That's what I know. That's what we do here because that's what's fun to me. Be sure to check that out. Check out my other videos. Click that subscribe button and click that notifications button so you know when I go live, because we do some cool live stuff out here too from time to time. So you definitely want to do all that. If you're on Facebook, please share this video with your friends and invite them to jump on over and give the page a like so they can keep up with what's going on as well. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you like the old C-10. It's a great truck. I think it's going to make somebody a great project. I think it's got a ton of potential, and super excited to see what happens to it. Hope you guys liked it. I know I did. Hope you did as well. Thanks for stopping by, spending a few minutes hanging out with me. Stay tuned. Lots more cool videos coming. We hope to see you on the next one.